Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's your boy April. So today I want to show you how I made this very amazing Afrobeat. So without wasting time, let's get into it. And if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
April, let them cook.
I started with these screenshots. Then I layered it with this. And with this sign based conga. And then after that we have this, which is the kick and other conga, sounded like this. Okay, no, it's not a conga, it's a percussion, sounding like this. And then the kick. So the two together sounding this way. Then after that, I added this loop, percussion loop, and here is it. Also we have this. With this FX. And lastly, for the drum, I added this percussion also. So after I created this old drum pattern, one of my guys was vibing to these beats, and then I had him singing this. Let me solo it. So then I realized that no, this meant to be on the beats. So I added this also, this vocal. So okay, I think I should show you guys what I did on the vocal. Here is what I did on the vocal. I added auto-tune, I added EQ, added this, and I added reverb, bunch of reverb, delay, I compressed it, added filter chorus, and then automation down here. So that's it. So right from the moment we recorded the vocal chop, then I already have inspo for the chord. So, and I layered it with this chord. And after that, what we have here is my tag. April, let him cook. So we have this ambient sound also sound like this. April, let him cook. So April, let him cook. April, let him cook. So after that, I added this lead melody from Purity. Very simple, something like this. So with everything we already have, we something like this. What do we have again? We have this. We have this melody also. So together with what we already have here, sounding this way. So after that, we have this also. I'm trying to keep this video very short. We have this. You see in this sound, the reverb is doing a lot. Like I added a whole lot of reverb. Yes, how it's sounding. But I want it to be more of a background thing. So that's why I added this reverb. So together with what we already had, sounding like this. I think that's everything. Sounding like this. And also not to forget, we have this. It a plug sound from Purity. So guys, lastly we have this bass line. Oh my god, I really love this bass line. Like very simple one, very simple and amazing bass line. So let's see how it's sounding. The bass line sounding like this. So let's see how it's sounding with everything. So that's everything we have from this beat. Very simple and amazing beats. Like very simple. So that will be all for today. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new on this channel, please, I'm begging you, please don't forget to subscribe. Please, I'm new. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Thank you. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I appreciate you all.